Today we're going to show you how to make a wonderful creamy pumpkin spice lip balm. Here are the ingredients for the pumpkin spice lip balm. 1 tablespoon of beeswax, 1 tablespoon of apricot oil, 1 tablespoon of shea butter, and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Then you will need half a teaspoon of orange mica and 2 drops of cinnamon essential oil. This recipe is easy. You just need 1 tablespoon of everything: shea butter, apricot, castor, and beeswax. They're all going to go in one container. This is something that might not be obvious, but while beeswax is really hard to cut, it is super easy to grate. Now that is all melted, we are going to add some beautiful orange color. I am going with half a teaspoon and see if I like the color. Otherwise, I can add a little more. And then at this point, just add 2 drops of cinnamon oil and stir. And now we are ready to pour into the final containers. Whenever you're making a balm using beeswax, be sure to wipe it out and not put it down the drain. And here's the final product. Super nice, beautiful, creamy, and orange.